At our Explore STEM program, students go to Mars. Not for real, but they work on solving problems that the next generation, quite frankly theirs, are going to need to solve to put a man on Mars.
I'm really interested in the skills of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and I wanted to learn more about them.
The most exciting part was that we were going to learn about all 4 fields and not just one. My favorite one so far has been robotics.
We did some lessons in medicine, and we got to try stopping a wound and healing things and stitching the skin back together. I thought that was really cool.
I think the coolest thing that we've done this week was working with the civil engineering group to make courses for our simulated Mars rovers to go across.
All the jobs are pretty much going to incorporate STEM within the next 50 years, so you may as well just start now learning the stuff you're going to need to know.